The Pearl River flood has left many homeowners in need of help when it comes to the cleanup process. 12 News' Gary Burton has a story on an organization that is willing to go the extra mile.
Samaritan's Purse is a Christian organization that offers physical and spiritual help to people around the nation.
Here in Jackson, Mississippi, we saw a great need to respond after this devastating flooding, and that's what we're here to do. We're here to help them recover.
With many homes affected, they are here to stay however long it takes to serve all they can.
We're here until we're finished, until the last person that we know about has gotten the assistance that they need.
It's possible that this mission could take weeks or even months. A shelter is being provided by Colonial Heights Baptist Church for volunteers who are coming from across the country. One woman drove nearly 11 hours from Indiana.
It's an opportunity for me to serve in a very practical way, in the name of God.
Joyce Dubart lives on North Canyon Club Circle. Her home was affected by the flooding, and sheetrock was cut out of our house on Sunday to keep mold from spreading.
I was just thinking about what it looked like, the week before and all the times we've been here, and your house is a place of comfort. But now you come in, you can't even sit down. I'm used to sleeping here, cooking here, and doing everything. And now I can't do those things.
If you or anyone that you may know needs assistance, you are asked to please call 601-559-1247 or go to our website for more information at WJTV.com. Now, in Jackson, Gary Burton, 12 News.